This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. Thank you very much for watching. If you have an immigration problem, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help you. Today I really just wanted to have a short video on where we are with immigration, given the fact that we've now lost Suella Braverman, and then the right-wing ideologue who couldn't deliver, Liz Truss. Well, we now have a vacuum in government, and we've now got a new Home Secretary, though whether he'll stay in place when there's a new Prime Minister is another question. But the issue is, what does this hold for immigration? Are we going to see more right-wing rhetoric, which is not backed up by any action? As we know, Priti Patel didn't achieve anything, and Suella Braverman wasn't in office long enough to do anything. In fact, the only shorter-serving Secretary of State for the Home Department served 30 days, and he left because he had a better excuse. Sadly, he died. She was just incompetent. So this gives the opportunity for the government to have a restart without immigration attracting the right-wing press and the right-wing swivel-eyed lunatics such as the man with the Fisher-Price binoculars filming migrants coming off boats, because the country is in a state of crisis and the population are probably going to be more concerned with paying their food bills, paying their electric bills, their heating bills and paying their mortgages than immigration. So for once, perhaps it gives the new Prime Minister and the new Secretary of State for the Home Department the opportunity to step back from the right-wing rhetoric and to do the decent thing and to have some form of amnesty which targets those that have been in the United Kingdom for a long period of time. Secondly, to deal with the huge backlog in asylum seekers. I've had clients waiting some 4 years for a decision. And thirdly, making sure people who are waiting for a decision who have Section 3C leave actually can enjoy their Section 3C leave. So maybe the complete chaos that Liz Truss has caused does provide an opportunity for a new Prime Minister to get in and sort out the immigration mess without being criticised for being a left-wing, tofu-eating lunatic, unlike some of the other people who probably held the post of Secretary of State. It does, the change or Liz Truss's resignation and the new Prime Minister perhaps does open the door to the focus being taken off immigration, which would allow the government to do something which benefits migrants without being criticised by the press, because obviously people are concerned with more important matters, i.e. themselves. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope something positive comes out of the new leadership election. I don't think there will be a general election, because if there was, the Conservatives will be wiped out. That wouldn't be a bad thing from an immigration point of view, because I would hope that the Labour Party would do what they did in 2007 and introduce some form of amnesty scheme called the Legacy Scheme, which resolved about 500,000 cases. So there we have it. A new Prime Minister, hopefully a new approach, a more dispassionate, compassionate approach with respect to immigration, alternatively a general election, and hopefully the Labour Party will adopt a different approach than this current government's. Thank you very much for watching this video. If there is any update, I will bring it to you as soon as I can. Thank you again. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.